Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove your Apple ID or iCloud account from another device. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on the iPhone that's still signed into your Apple ID. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen to open your account settings. Next, scroll down to view the list of devices currently linked to your Apple ID. Review the list carefully and find the device you want to remove. This is useful if you've sold, traded in, given away a device, or notice one you don't recognize. Tap the device you want to remove. You'll see information about that device, including its model and account details. Scroll down and tap Remove from Account. A confirmation message will appear explaining that the device will be signed out of your Apple ID the next time it connects to the internet. If you're removing a device before selling or giving it away, it's also a good idea to erase all content and settings on that device first if you still have physical access to it. So that's basically how you can remove your Apple ID or iCloud account from another device. That's it for this video. Thanks.